So, Yahweh created everything and it feels good on this earth, which is nice. And I can see Yahweh's creation of his trees, blue sky, clouds, mountains and hills, leaves and stuff, and stuff like that, like that tree over there. Feels good to see. Just come out here and experience. Just get out and explore the creation that he created for you to see. It feels good. It feels really good. He created the heavens and the earth and all the planets out there, galaxies and stuff, and that's what I'm studying in astronomy right now, which is really cool. And he created trees and plants, and he bear fruit by seed on the ground, from the ground. And then all the trees came up, and fruit trees that came, which is cool. And he created animals like cows and horses, dogs, cats, tigers, lions, beasts that he created, which is really cool. And he created man in his own image, which is he created humans in his own likeness and his own image. I thought that was really cool too. And he rested on the 7th day, which is Shabbat, and then he rested, which is today, because today is the 7th day, and but he's resting. Cool. So that's why I shared it. How I experienced this.
Nice.
Need to push it?
Yeah, 3 minutes.
Huh? Good.
I didn't forget the button this time.
Okay, he can stop it. So we're out on a hike right now. I'm sharing it. My mom and my sister are out there.
No more. That's too windy.
My dad was videoing me.
Were you talking?
I was talking about Yahweh's creation and how it felt good to see.
Very cool. This is done.
Yeah, he's videoing me still. Bye.